In today's video, I'm going to show you how to get the best Hungry Jacks discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Hungry Jacks discount promo codes. Right here, select this website, which is called couponboards.com. And we have right here a list with different type of promo codes that we can choose from. For example, if I want to get this promo code with 20% off discount, all I have to do is select get code right here, and I can copy the discount code from right here and I can apply this one on my next purchase so that I can get the discount. Also going back right here to our main search on Google, as you can see, we have this website which is called boxscoop.com. And right here, we also have a list with some deals and promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this $3 voucher code, all you have to do is select get deal right here. And as you can see, there is no discount code required. You can simply select visit Hungry Jobs right here, and you'll be redirected to the website and the discount will be applied automatically. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.